Hello viewer, my name is Daniel. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to sign up for the affiliate program of our superb search engine. And what do you have to do to start earning money? I will start first to present you with our superb search engine. I am so enthusiastic about talking to you about this search engine just because it's paying money. That is super. This search engine is called EntireWeb.com. After clicking on the link in the description of my previous video, you get this EntireWeb.com. To register, point and click on the menu in the upper left corner of your page and then point and click on affiliate. Click on create an account and then put your personal information, your name, your first name, your email address, and your password. Accept the conditions and click on sign up. So, you have just accessed your dashboard. Here you can know the number of clicks obtained on your link and also the amount generated. I will soon make a video where I will talk about the means of withdrawal. The most important first thing for a start is to get the affiliate link that you will use to promote the search engine, EntireWeb.com. We pay our affiliates always on the 15th day of the month for sales referred last month. The minimum payout is $100 and you have to refer a minimum of 2 separated customers. Accepted are also self-purchases. Search engine is used by more than 9,360,282 users from 190 countries worldwide. You can share it with your friends and family using Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Snapchat. Now you know how to join the affiliate program of our search engine, EntireWeb.com. You can then promote it, generate traffic around your affiliate link, and thus earn money. In my next video, we will discuss how and by what means to make a withdrawal and also the technique how to generate 70 million clicks on your link. Did you like the video? Subscribe to my channel and click the bell to be notified when my next video is posted.